Service has issued tornado watch number 95, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Kansas, Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami and Wyandotte, and the following counties: in Missouri, Cass, Clay, Clinton, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Platte and Ray. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 95 has been issued from 11:25 a.m. until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in Kansas, Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami and Wyandotte, and the following counties: in Missouri, Cass, Clay, Clinton, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Platte and Ray.